Hello. So, today I give you a truth bomb. God did not put you in a box. People did. And people can be wrong. I know that might sound like the most dangerous thing you have heard all week, coming from someone who spent 32 years as an ordained minister in three denominations on three continents, packed sanctuaries. This might sound insane. But here is what I know from the inside. The box is built from language, words you were handed before you were old enough to question them. This is what God wants. This is what good people do. This is who we are and who we are not. These words arrived before you had any framework to evaluate them. By the time you were old enough to think, they were already the furniture of your mind. And then the theology went all the way to the bone. Because when you tell a person that God Himself is the author of the box, questioning the walls does not just feel socially dangerous, it feels eternally dangerous. That is the move. That is what keeps people inside the longest. But here is the truth that changed everything for me. The things that are actually true survive questioning. They always do. The things that fall away when you question them were never as solid as they felt. The light within you is one of the things that does not fall away. Questioning everything starts here.